Hello, this is Deb, and I'm going to quickly talk about my zine, which was a comparison of the organizational structures between the two big box stores, Walmart and Petco. So, I did the comparison of the online organization for dog food, comparing Walmart and Petco. Some things that I noticed about the overall structure of Walmart's was that Walmart separated their food into dry dog food and wet dog food, and there was no option to just go to dog food, which I found was very interesting. They only carried big national brands such as Purina, Blue, Iams, and like I said, it only had bag dry kibble. Um, there was some wet food in a can, but like I said, you had to go to the dry food section. There were lots of grain free options featured. In comparison, Petco had the option of dog food as a whole that you could go to. There were a lot of lesser known brands featured in their selection. It was mostly bag dry kibble, just like Walmart, but they also had wet food in clear plastic containers or in frozen patties. They also included treats and toppers in their selection of dog food. So, Petco's dog food structure. The organization structure of how the dog food is ordered, so what you see at the top, was to me had no rhyme or reason. There were sponsored ads at the top, which were marked, and those were at the very top, but the rest, which were not labeled as sponsored, seemed to be very random. They were not by food type, cost, brand, or flavor. So I would assume that the page is arranged by the most profitable, or that those who are paid to be closer to the top. Peripheral members of the dog food include treats, prescription medication, toys, and beds for dogs. So Walmart's food structure in comparison, they're organized by food type, dry, and then also loosely organized by brand. And the least represented were smaller brand dog foods, and there were no wet dog foods within the dry dog food section. So Petco and Walmart both had featured sponsored food at the top of the page, and they both had the bestseller label as well, also near the top of the page. This to me says that the first spots on our page are worthy of sponsored ads, and therefore we, these companies, believe that what you see first is monetizable. Petco features foods eerily comparable to human food. So I thought that was really interesting. And Petco also argues that bag kibble, canned food, treats, and wet food are all equally dog food, whereas Walmart has the separation between wet and dry as different types of dog food. Which here I was just saying that, and also note that dog food is made by large national brands. And that's the end of my zine. Thank you very much.